You know, I went from almost being in a tent to suddenly walking into a 2-bedroom house.
Stirling House is a 25-home development in Plymouth that provides safe, affordable social rent housing for veterans who were previously at risk of homelessness. In partnership with ALABARÉ, several resident veterans had the opportunity to help build the homes they now live in, providing crucial skills for a sustainable future.
I joined the army at the age of 16 and a half. I left school and joined Junior Leaders Regiment Royal Artillery in 1990. And I then proceeded to spend the rest of my teenage years and into my early 20s in the British Army. It was a mixed life after leaving the army. I had some exceptionally good periods of time where things were fairly stable, and then the wheels fell off in a rather dramatic sense. I got diagnosed with complex PTSD and another psychiatric condition. When he first told me about the project, it was, you know, he sold it, and it was, you learn to build your own house. We give you the training, the skills, the mental health support, the other support that you need in order to succeed, and you get to live there at the end of it, and everything's tickety-boo. And I genuinely didn't believe him, because it sounded far too. It was like he was promising the world.
One of the things we were clear about in selecting the contractor for the construction phase was that they would bring a commitment to training and skilling up any veterans who were able to work on the project, and that's exactly what we achieved.
I'm now working full-time. I work within the construction industry as an insulation engineer. I'm in a better physical and a better mental place, probably, than I've been in a very, very, very long time. Certainly since before the diagnosis of complex PTSD. I just thought it was ALABARÉ and their pocket of money, but all of a sudden I realised that it was a joint enterprise with Plymouth City Council, with LiveWest, with Homes England, with other charities, smaller charities that have just put little bits in. I feel very, very, very lucky, and my family do, that actually I got chosen for the project. It's transformed my life immensely. One thing I'm really excited about is the government's social and affordable homes programme. As long as some of it goes towards projects like Stirling House, then other people's lives could be as transformed as mine has been, and hopefully more so.
At the going down of the sun, and in the morning, we will remember them.